Welcome. Today's video will walk you through how to add or update your bio on your Facebook profile. It's a quick and simple way to share a little bit about who you are, what you love, or what you do right on your profile page. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile page easily. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture or your name to go directly to your own profile. Next, you'll want to look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually located just under your name and profile picture. Tap on it to open the editing options for your profile. This is where you can update different parts of your profile, such as your intro, details, featured photos, and of course, your bio. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Bio. This is the short space that appears right under your name on your profile, where many people put a short description about themselves. Tap on it to open the text editor. Here, you can type in whatever you'd like to share, whether it's a quote, a few words about your interests, your current job, or something creative that expresses your personality. Keep in mind that Facebook bios have a character limit, so try to make your message short, catchy, and meaningful. Once you're happy with what you've written, tap on Save. After saving, your new bio will immediately appear on your profile. You can always go back and edit it again in the future whenever you want to update it or make a change. And that's it. Your Facebook profile now has an updated bio that tells your friends and followers a bit more about you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.